Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available. And in order for us to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available, which is located here at the three vertical lines. And then as we tap on the see more, our marketplace is going to be located here at the bottom. But in the case we can't see the marketplace, we are going to tap on the settings and privacy, and then we are going to tap on the help and support. And then we're going to tap on report a problem. From here, we are going to tap on report a problem. And then we're going to scroll down and we are going to tap on the marketplace, since this is the type of issue that we are actually experiencing. And then we're going to describe to them the issue that is happening on our Facebook applications, which is we can't find the option to see the marketplace. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.